What is community? At Reid State, it's a value, an action, an invitation, the force that binds us together, no matter what comes next. Transfer your associate degree to your dream school. Train for the trades, technology, or childcare education. Start early and step straight into your career. Or suit up and represent us all. This is a community of possibility, and we can't wait to hear you roar. Reid State Community College.
What's possible at Reid State?
A pathway to your dream school. Career and technical training. Bold head starts. Brave new chapters. Because we are a community of possibility. Reid State Community College. What is community? At Reid State,
it's a place to fit in.
To find your thing.
To fast forward your future.
And your invitation is always open. Reid State Community College.
The cosmetology program here at Reid State will help prepare you for a rewarding career in the beauty industry. You learn manicuring, artificial nail enhancements, esthetician services, dealing with makeup, lashes, hair cutting, hair coloring, everything that the beauty industry has to offer. The cosmetology program here at Reid State Community College is 3 semesters, which it will take you a year to complete. Once you have completed the program here, you will apply for licensure, where you will be able to become a licensed cosmetologist in the state of Alabama upon passing. So what does a career look like in cosmetology? I'll let you take this one.
Hi, my name is Shelby. I have been at Reid State for 3 semesters now. Here at Reid State, we don't just work on mannequins, we work out of textbooks and workbooks, and it's really easy to get through as long as you apply yourself. I work at a salon, and the best thing that I get to see every day is the people's faces when they turn around in my chair and they see the automatic transformation that they get.
If you are interested in becoming a student here at Reid State Community College, drop by for a tour. If you're interested in receiving a service, come get your manicure, pedicure, your nail enhancements, haircut, maybe even some highlights for the summertime. We're open and ready.